Well, we let the turkeys out and the guineas. Everything's over here in this little. There's a couple of chickens under the porch, but for the most part, everybody's over here hanging out in the trees. We got some dogs. Great Pyrenees. Great Pyrenees. I think that's a Catahoula. That's a Catahoula. A pit bull. And I have another one there. No, I have another one somewhere. Oh, right there. A mutt. These turkeys will walk right up to you, but they won't let you touch them. And they don't attack you, so that's good. There's the guineas. Hopefully chasing snakes. The yellow chicken is Monroe. She's from our first batch of chickens 3 or 4 years ago. She's the only one that's still alive from then. Oh. There's our rooster. He's a naked neck. And one of his harem. They were the ones that were under the porch. Well, there's that turkey. Both of them. I think the one closest to me is a male. He's got a little waddle under his chin. A little bit bigger. Tail's a little different. But I can't be for sure. There's our Oliver. Oh, that's Mina. It's Lady and Oliver. Lady thinks I'm gonna feed her. Oh, let's feed her.